Hey, what's up everyone? Sam here. Before we get into the video, do remember about the rolling giveaway. For every video I release, I'll be giving away one of these awesome Feed Your Mind hats. All you gotta do to win is leave a comment within the first hour of my video going live. Then I'll pick a winner at random. So turn on channel notifications, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat so you always know when I'm dropping a new video. But anyway, in this video, I'll be showing you 5 crazy legal defenses that actually worked. Number 5. Big boobs. When bikini model Serena Kozakura was arrested for trespassing and destruction of property, it was her boobs that saved her. She was facing a 14-month prison sentence for kicking a hole in her boyfriend's apartment and climbing through it after she discovered he was cheating on her. Numerous eyewitnesses confirmed that she did climb through the hole. However, Serena claimed it would have been impossible for her to climb through the hole as her breasts are too big. Her bust is 40 inches and the hole was 28.4 by 8.7 inches. The court bought her defense and she was set free. Number 4. Sexsomnia. A young Canadian woman fell asleep at a house party in Toronto. When she woke up, she found a man on top of her, raping her. She kicked him off and demanded to know who he is and what he was doing. The man was Jan Ludek, and in court he was facing a long sentence for rape. However, his defense was quite unique. Jan claimed he had no memory or control of his actions as he was sleepwalking. The different alcoholic drinks combined with magic mushrooms he took made him have sleep sex. He was ultimately acquitted of all charges. Number 3. Too rich. Ethan Couch from Texas comes from a wealthy family. In 2013, the teenager was drunk, speeding and driving on a restricted license. He lost control of his truck and smashed into a group of people. 4 died and a further 9 were injured. In court, there's really no excuse for his actions. However, his legal team came up with one that amazingly kind of worked. They claimed Ethan was suffering from affluenza. Essentially, he was too rich and spoiled to really understand the consequences of his actions. This defense didn't get him off the hook, but it did prevent him from serving 20 years in prison. Instead, he got probation and rehab. He carried out his small sentence in a luxury facility with horseback riding, cooking classes and more. I can't say if his defense really worked or if it was the fact that Ethan's parents paid $450,000 a year for their son to stay at that luxury facility. I'll let you be the judge of that. Number 2. Identical twins. In 2003, a man was arrested and charged with drug trafficking in Malaysia. A crime that's deemed so serious it's punishable by death. However, at the scene of the arrest, the man's twin brother showed up. By the time the man entered court, the jury, police and judge couldn't tell them apart. With this in mind, it was too much of a risk sentencing one of the men to die for a crime that they are only about 50% sure he committed. The judge refused the case and threw it out, letting the man and his twin go free. Number 1. Oral sex. Neil Esposito died when his Mercedes-Benz crashed. His girlfriend at the time, Heather Spekielski, was charged with manslaughter as she was accused of driving at the time. However, Heather denied that she was driving and proved it by going as far as saying she was giving Neil oral sex at the time of the crash. The judge listened to her defense and paramedics at the scene did confirm that Neil's body was found with his pants down. However, if her defense is true, surely the fact that she was giving him oral sex whilst he was driving is a good reason why he lost control and crashed his car. Therefore, isn't she somewhat guilty in causing his death? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you turn on channel notifications and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. For every video I release, I'll be giving away one of these awesome Feed Your Mind hats. All you gotta do to win is leave a comment within the first hour, then I'll pick a winner at random. So good luck. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.